vinegar volcano.
Hi, welcome to my volcano. My name is Ryder, as you know, and I'm going to show you how a volcano erupts with baking soda and vinegar. We dyed the vinegar red so it would look like magma. My hypothesis with my vinegar volcano is if the vinegar gets poured into the baking soda, the two substances will start to fizz up and pour out of the container. Then it will look like a volcano erupting. Hand me the baking soda, please. So in conclusion, the two substances erupted, simulating a volcano erupting, as I predicted.
What's up with the paperclip right here?
Oh, that's like the chief hut.
Oh, okay. All right. Whoa, that looks awesome.
Yeah, it's got orange, yellow, and red.
Some dangerous waters over there. What the heck is that stuff? The water.
That's the blue stuff that we put on the wall.
Oh, the
paint.
tile bonding stuff.
It's paint.
Gotcha.
Dreams
Oh,
that
look.
you dream of once in